This is the new SellSeva listing flow. Instead of starting with a blank form, we start with the product photos, because the AI reads the real item first. The photo coach shows what the AI needs: a clean cover shot, brand or label detail, multiple angles, and any flaws or measurements. Better photos mean better category, title, condition, and marketplace mapping. For this demo, I'm uploading a pair of Levi's jeans. I'll select the front, side, waist detail, pocket detail, and back photos, so SellSeva has enough context. Now SellSeva runs the configured AI vision analysis. It identifies the item, matches it to the marketplace taxonomy, and prepares the listing fields. SellSeva detected clothing and apparel with a high match. I can change the category if needed, but once I confirm it, the rest of the form updates around that category. Next is the Smart template. This does not replace the AI's item facts. It adds my seller defaults, like shipping defaults, measurement prompts, review notes, and marketplace-safe structure. The product catalog now has all 6 photos. The first image becomes the cover, and I can drag to reorder. SellSeva also tracks each marketplace's photo capacity, so each platform gets the right number of images. If I want cleaner photos, I can use background removal directly from this listing. On the right, SellSeva maps the listing to eligible marketplaces. If a marketplace needs something, SellSeva tells me exactly what is missing. Here, eBay needs size type, so I can fix that before publishing. The shared fields are filled once and reused across marketplaces: title, condition, price, quantity, description, brand, size, color, material, and measurements. Because this is jeans, the listing rules prioritize waist and inseam. A different item would get different fields. Shipping and package details are separate from product measurements. These drive shipping labels and marketplace eligibility. The earnings preview estimates price, fees, shipping cost, seller cost, and net profit. At the end, I can save a draft, schedule the listing, or publish. SellSeva blocks publish if required fields are missing, if quantity is invalid, or if the item violates platform safety rules. When I publish, SellSeva saves the listing and queues marketplace jobs for the connected platforms, so the item can be managed from one SellSeva inventory record.